This marketplace is designed as a distributed system, including a portal that allows any user to register and make inquiries on services or products, both as a supplier or a buyer. However, the marketplace is more than this. The marketplace core is powered by autonomous agents able to take informed decisions. This is a multi-agent system composed of multiple interacting software intelligent agents, where each agent is capable of making decisions based on specific rules or even based on knowledge acquired. Now, companies are always looking for the best way to sell their products and buy goods from suppliers. Finding the best deals is seldom easy. It takes time and energy, along with a significant amount of effort in negotiation. Smart agents can take some of this work and automatically find the best proposals, even negotiating some or all of the details, depending on how complex or involved the agents are. Industrial partners will be able to deploy their custom agents into the marketplace to take part in product and services transactions. The marketplace will use the broker and matchmaking component to find the best matches between offers and buyers. To do this, the broker and matchmaking component uses semantic knowledge to enhance the matching of services and products. This semantic knowledge is coded in an ontology containing all the relevant information pertaining to the operation of industrial partners and manufacturing facilities. This information will allow all the products to be matched to the best of their suppliers that can be provided. This network of semantic knowledge is used by the agents to find both the best supplies and the best matches from clients to the provided partners. All of this information can be stated by the industrial partners into software agents directly, or it can be used through the web interface, which is accessible to every single user that would like to have some transaction occurring in this market. In the relation to the circular economy, it aims to ease the finding of supplies in raw materials that come from recycled sources or from reusing other materials. Usually this process involves a lot of search or involves a lot of negotiation, and the use of smart agents aims to broaden the market that is available to every single user, regardless of its dimension. Even a small client, even a small supplier will be able to take part in the global market without an upfront cost, which you always have associated to the large markets. And the marketplace aims to lower that cost.